Installing Pleper Local SEO Tools is fairly straightforward. If it's not already in your browser, just go up to the Extensions tab, open that, click on Manage Extensions, just scan down, make sure you haven't already got it on there and it's just switched off and deactivated like these two that I sometimes use. Go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Pleper and you'll get this option, which you click on that grey box and confirm that you want to add it to Chrome. There, it's already added to Chrome. Now you don't see anything here because it works on the maps listing. So on this local panel you can see the map thing. You click on that map section, it opens the map, and there you have all the various bits of information that you could possibly want about your Google business profile. The one we're interested in is this place ID here for the process that we created this video for. That's it, that's the installation and use. It's very, very simple indeed.